Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, that is graphics in basic 256. I think you have learned the basic language in the primary classes, and you know the programming also, because in the primary classes we are already teaching about some introductory portion of the basic language. So I think you all are very familiar to this. Now we will see how to make the programs and graphics in the basic 256. Before that, I want to know that I think you all have completed your assignment work. So if you have not completed, then you complete it. It will be checked when the school reopens. So complete it now and then start this chapter. So now the basic 256 is not only designed to display the text and alphanumeric object, but it is also used to display the color, graphics, and generate the different sound also. So the basic you have learned already in the primary classes. It is not the graphical, but this basics 256 is a graphical language, and you can make the different type of graphics, and you can generate the different sound also in this basic 256. So we will learn the different program of making graphics and different sound in this chapter. So the you have already seen, I think, the computer screen. So your screen are having so many, if you have, when your monitor is off, you have seen the screen, you will see the tiny dots are there. That tiny dots are known as the pixels. By the combination of these pixels only you can generate the graphics. So the number of pixels will give you the better graphics. So the more the number of pixels in your screen, that will give you the better graphics in your output area. So when you check the number of pixels available horizontally and vertically on the monitor, that are about 300 pixels, tiny dots in the horizontal, and 300 pixels in the vertical area. So by the combination of these different pixels you can make the graphics. Each pixels is having its own number vertically and horizontally. So first of all, when we made any graphics, first of all we have to write the horizontal number of pixel, then comma, then write the vertical number of pixel to make the graphics. And the different area available on your basic 256 is, you can see the toolbar. See, the uppermost row is known as the toolbar. Here text output area, then graphics output area, you can see the graphics here, and you can make the program here. The blank window is there to make the program. When you start your programming, you should know the number of pixel and where is the location of the pixel. For example, if 50,50 is written there, that means 50th number of the pixel in the horizontal line and 50th number of the pixel in the vertical line. So you see where is the location of 50,50, that is point A. The horizontal axis is known as the x-axis and vertical axis is known as the y-axis. You already know all these things in the mathematics when we are making the graph also. So it is like the graph only. So here you can see the 50 comma 50 pixel. Where is the location? You can see this point is the location of 50 pixels. So before starting the programming, you should know some of the commands that will be used to run your program. So take when you have to take the output of your program, you have to write the command print, and text command is used to give the system font name, for example Valda, Algerian, Cambria, etc. That font should be available in your computer, then only you can use that font. So the text command and font command is used to make your font and introduce your font graphically and fancy. So these two commands will be used to make your text and font fancy. So our first command is the text command. The syntax of text command is text space x, that means the x-axis coordinate or pixel, and y means y-axis coordinate or pixel, and then the expression. You can see the example, text 100 comma 200, and there you have to write the word KIPS, KIPS. So when you give this command, you can see your output will be like this. And you have to make the program like this. First of all, you have to use the command CLS. CLS means you have to clear the screen first, then only you can see your output if anything is previously there on the screen. So first of all, you have to clear the screen. Then we are using the font command. Here we are taking the font Verdana, and the size and the weight of font is also mentioned here. You can see the size is 56 and the weight is 75. Then the text command, our 75, then that means the 75 pixel of x-axis and the 75 pixel of y-axis. There you want to write this word KIPS, and at the end of this program we have to write the end command to end your program. See this program like this, you have to write on your computer screen, then you will get your output like this on the graphic output area. This portion you will get your output. The main thing I want to mention, that is, if your this basic 256 is not in your computer, then you cannot use all these commands. So first of all, you have to install this basic 256 in your computer, then only you will be able to make the program of all these graphics. So today I am telling about only the one command and only the one program, because it may be not in your computer. So first of all, you tell your parents or any computer expert to install the basic 256, then only you will be able to do all this practical. So in next session, that means on the next week, we will see the different more programs. Okay, so today only I am showing you only the one program to make you on your computer.